Hello, today we will guide you through how to link HubSpot with ManyChat. In this walkthrough, we'll be connecting your HubSpot account to ManyChat directly from the ManyChat dashboard. This integration can help you keep your marketing and contact management tools working together more smoothly, and the setup only takes a few moments. To begin, make sure you're logged into your ManyChat account and that you're on the Home tab. This is your main landing area inside ManyChat, and it's the best place to start before moving into the platform settings. If you're not already there, simply navigate back to Home so you can follow the process from the same starting point. Once you're on the Home tab, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Settings. This will open the area where ManyChat stores account-level options, including integrations and connected services. If the menu looks a little crowded, take your time here and make sure you've selected the correct settings section. After the settings page opens, scroll down until you find the integration area. Depending on your screen size or account layout, you may need to scroll a bit further to locate it. The goal here is simply to reach the part of the settings page where external apps and tools can be connected. When you see it, click on Integrations. This will bring you to the dedicated integrations section, where ManyChat lists available apps and platforms that can be linked to your account. This is where you'll manage third-party connections like HubSpot. Next, scroll down again and look for HubSpot in the list of available integrations. Since there may be several options shown on this page, it helps to move slowly and read each integration name carefully so you don't miss it. Once you find HubSpot, click on Connect HubSpot Account. This tells ManyChat that you want to begin the linking process and opens the connection prompt for HubSpot. From there, click on Connect and follow the on-screen procedure. At this stage, you'll typically be guided through the standard authorization process needed to allow ManyChat and HubSpot to communicate securely. Just continue through each prompt as it appears and review the permissions before confirming the connection. After the process is complete, your HubSpot account should be linked with ManyChat. If anything doesn't load right away, give it a moment and check that the connection has been successfully established in the integrations area. That's it for this guide on linking HubSpot with ManyChat.